Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be taking a look at how we can use CoPilot to summarize, aggregate and analyze our data and get some insights and trends from our data. In my previous video, I had shown how we can use CoPilot to do sorting and filtering of data. This is an extension of that video. If you have not taken a look at that, do have a look at that on my channel. And today we'll be continuing with more features on CoPilot. But before we dive right into it, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest of data analytics across different technology. So this is my data. It's a sales data across different days and months, and you can see it has different products and the region. And this is the total sales amount. So now we want to do some analysis on the data. So for that, first I'm going to select all the data. So I'm going to do Control A and convert this into a table. Okay. I've already converted this into a table. If you have not, just hit Control T and convert this into a table. Now I'm going to click on Home and select CoPilot. Now CoPilot has given me different suggestions. I'm going to ignore this for now and I'm just going to ask a question. Say I want to find which is the best selling product. So I'll say, show me the total sales for each product. And it has given the answer. I can directly click on add to a new worksheet. It has also told me the total sales for each product as follows, and product B is with 12874. That is the highest sales. Okay. So now I'm going to ask another question. I will say, show me the average sales per region. So I want to see which region is doing better in the sales. It has given me the sales per region. I can also add this to a new sheet. It has given me also the description. I'm going to add this to a new sheet. Okay, it has shown me the sales, so I know now the south region has done the maximum sales. Now let's say I want to do a multidimensional analysis. Okay, so I'll say, show me the sales, the total sales by product and region. This is two-dimensional analysis. So you can see it has generated a nice bar chart. It has shown me across the regions what is the different sales for each product. Okay, I can add this also, and I'll see this in my worksheet. And you can see it has given a nice pivot table. Okay, and I can see this sales by each region and for different products. Now let us try to find out, are there any anomalous values in the sales? So I'll ask it, are there any outliers in the sales values? So I'll know if there are any extremely large sales or extremely small sales, so I can study that data. So it's given a nice graph. Let me add this. And you can see it has done the sales date by each. It has grouped it by the total sales for each day, and you can see it has given some anomalous values here. These are the outliers. I can also right click this and I can group it and by months, and I can see the sales trend in months. So you can see how CoPilot helps you do your data analysis quickly. Even if you don't know these functions and you do not know how to use pivot tables and graphs, you can easily use CoPilot to improve your data analysis. If you like this video, do leave a like and a comment on my video. I'll keep making more videos on how you can use CoPilot and the different tips and tricks to use CoPilot to improve your data analysis in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.